Public swimming pools and clubs allowed to open in Ohio on May 26th. 27 First News reporter Vince Call spoke to operators about getting ready and why one may not open at all.
In just 11 days, public pools in Ohio can reopen.
To get prepared for that, it definitely takes all hands on deck, and it honestly takes more than 7 employees to do so.
Youngstown City Parks and Recreation Director Dawn Turnage doesn't see that opening date happening at Northside Pool. Turnage says pool operators found out the opening date during Governor DeWine's press conference. She says the city was forced to make hundreds of job cuts due to the virus, including 8 full-time Parks and Recreation employees. They need to make sure they can follow guidelines.
And we first have to take all recommendations by Dr. Acton and Governor DeWine, and then make sure that it is humanly possible for us to do that.
So we will not be able to say a date until we know if our plans have been approved or if there are changes.
Chris Hughes is the aquatics director at the Youngstown YMCA. They are still waiting on guidelines on what they'll need to do for COVID-19. Then local health commissioners will have to approve the individual facility's plan. At that point, the staff must be trained.
Training them in all of those things that they need to know and be ready in 10 days it's not really very realistic.
Hughes has been in contact with YMCAs in Georgia and Florida. Both states have already reopened pools. Turnage says the city will have to rehire people for the Northside Pool to open this year. In Youngstown, Vince Call, WKBN 27 First News.